Okay, so in this video, I want to show you the top 5 Father's Day mugs that you can sell on Etsy. And I don't care if they're personalized or not, we're going to kind of do them all. So I'm going to use my buddy Everbee over there to find these. So I'm going to go funny Father's Day mug. Let's see what the search volume is. It is coming up quite a bit, 313, but let me show you something. Google.com/trends, and I just want to search for Father's Day gift, first of all. And let's go worldwide. And let's go for the past 5 years. Look at that. The big spikes are back. Note. Anyway, we look at where we are. We're at the bottom. There's going to be a huge bump coming in June. Gigantic. And we are right around here. So we're not even at the start of this big spike where people are searching for a Father's Day gift like crazy, not only on Google, but if I go to eRank too, I'll show you. I think I'm still logged in. And we'll go Father's Day gift. I just want to see USA traffic. See what the search volumes are. Oh yeah. 11,666. A lot of competition. But here's one. Father's Day gift from daughter. All of a sudden your competition drops. First Father's Day gift. So you can niche down within just Father's Day gift to get a whole bunch of good ideas. And if I go like this and put Father's Day mug, let's see what comes up here. A lot of competition. Not as many searches for the mug part. But we can rank for the term gift and still get a ton of people. So let's put this in here and see what comes up. And there's a whole bunch, as you can see. Stuff like this, like Wesley's Daddy, established 2022. I'm just going to take a look at this real quick. It is a bestseller because I've seen this shop before, the Mug Whisperer, and what they do is you pick the size and then you pick the option. So year baby's born. I guess they only have 3 years. And then they say, please enter the name that you would like to add to the mug. If you would like a different year than what is in the dropdown, you can list it here as well. So then you have to put the name. What happens now is this shop gets the order and they have to print it. Like they have to make this file, this image file, then they have to edit the order before it's printed. Unless they're doing it internally, which I'm not sure if they are or not. I guess we can look and see if they have a production partner. So the one thing to do is go to their shop and hit Control F. Oops, not bookmark. Control F and type this in. Partner. So here you go. Production partners. Printing company, San Francisco, California. Our printing partner helps add the designs to the mugs along with shipping. Not all mugs are sent to the printer. There are oftentimes I print the designs myself with a high quality in-house printer. Add the designs to the mugs through a sublimation process and ship to the customer. So they're saying they will use a print on, like basically print on demand, but they're also saying sometimes we do it ourselves. The other cool thing when you go to their store, go to their reviews on the main page of their store and you can see what's selling right away. So there's Wesley Daddy, May 19th. This is Avery's mommy. So that mug is selling. You could easily do this. So there's 51 reviews. So we could do the calculator or analyze the listing here. They're estimating approximately 219 sales. So what I'm saying is if we have 219 sales on a mug, 219, and it takes us about 5 minutes to do the order, that's 1,095 minutes. Divided by 60 will give us the hours, 18 hours of work to fulfill these orders. That's just doing the image. That's all I'm saying. That's not even including the actual printing, packing, and shipping. So if this company is doing it themselves, they're taking a lot more than 10 minutes. The cool part is you don't have to do that. So any listing you say on Etsy that's personalized without this field and without this part, they're doing it the way that I teach, which is automated personalization. So I could make this mug. I wouldn't use their same font or anything, But I can make the exact same mug, maybe put my own spin on it, of course, and I could automate it so that I don't have to do any interception of the personalization and go figure it out myself. I could actually automate it so the print-on-demand company that I would use would do it. And whenever you see this too, in 16 carts, that's always a good thing. So there's one popped right off there, but we can cheat here. So we can go to Everbee, and it's ppc-coach.com/Everbee. If you, the link is in the description too, but if you go to product analytics, we can analyze all the mugs on the front page here. So there are 76 Funny Father's Day mugs that they're analyzing. If we go by total sales, we can cherry pick the best ones. So this is not a mug, There's one. Custom baby face. I am their father. Here's one. So starting here, personalized Father's Day mug. Oh, 4,000, man. So let's go to the calculator on this. Here's mug number 2. Dear Dad, thanks for wiping my butt and stuff. Love, name here. And this is another one where I can tell right away that they are not, that they're doing it manually. So there's our color and size. If you do a black handle, 15 ounce, all of a sudden the price goes up. And then the all white 11 ounce, they're charging $9.99. I still don't understand how this company is making any money on this, but they must have a whole container, like shipping container full of blanks of mugs. And again, I'm going to go to their store and I'm just going to do that little thing where I search for production partner. There we go. So I'm a proud partner with a commercial printing company that shares values I do. Okay, and then awesome print shop. Oh, they have a couple. So they have 3 I don't get it. I don't understand how they're selling it that cheap. That's crazy to me. Unless the shipping is like added in. Shipping. Let's try this. That's the only zip code I know in the US. Still didn't come up. Anyway. Good idea. Selling a lot. 712 reviews on that means 712 divided by 0.15. About 4,746. Which is insane. Even at $9.99, that's a lot. And now, if I do the 5-minute thing, where I'm like, it takes 5 minutes to get this, then I'm at 23,700. Oh my god. And 33 minutes divided by 60. 395 hours to fulfill all these orders that he's getting, or she's getting, on this mug. Because they're doing it manually. That, to me, at that price, I believe they're losing money. So if I analyze, I'm going to analyze listing, then hit this profit calculator. So they're at $19.99. Shipping price is $6, it says. Discount is $50. Cost of item is $8. Shipping cost is there. Over here, if they're at, well, let's put it at what they have it at. Let's go $9.99. And let's put the shipping price as free, even. So the cost of the item, I would say it's minimum $8. Shipping is minimum $4.50. So let's calculate that. And you can see over on the side, why is it still putting that? Oh, let's put that at 0. Now let's calculate that. Okay, so $9.99. The listing fees are 20 cents, 65 cents, $1.40 total. Cost of goods sold is $8, shipping's $4.50. So they're at $12.50 to just basically have it and ship it. Total revenue $9.99. They're losing $3.91 on every order. So unless their cost of goods sold is super cheap, like maybe it's 50 cents, maybe they're doing this in-house and getting a super deal. At that price point, they're actually making money. $3.59 per order. So I guess if you have them in bulk, that'll work. But anyway, that is another good one that you could use. So that's number 2. You can make your own version of that. Dear Dad, thanks for wiping my butt and stuff. Love, Bob. You could even put, Dear Frank, thanks for wiping my butt and stuff. Love, your son, or whatever they want to put in there. You can automate 2 spots on that with personalization. In 20 carts is always a good thing. Shops running sales too, that's always a good thing. Let's go look at the third one here. So we have, there's a Trump mug. I don't know if I've been doing those. Funny birthday card. Well, let's look at this one anyway, because I know that these Trump mugs did very well back in the day. Don't know if they're doing that well now, but who knows. You're a great dad, really, really great, very special, very handsome. Other dads, losers, total disasters. Everyone agrees, believe me. So I know when he is the president, it's fair game, as far as I know. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so don't quote me on that. But when he's not the president, I don't know if you can use his likeness on a mug. I don't know what the legality is of that, but that is just a generic mug. There's no personalization. 696 reviews. So let's look at this. 696 divided by 0.15, about approximately 4,640 times 16.85. Yeah, that's made a lot of money. That's the gross revenue. That's before cost of goods sold, Etsy fees, and shipping. But still, even if they pulled 20% of that, that's still 15,636 profit on that mug. And these are really, really easy to make. So if you're trying to think of like, what the heck am I going to sell for Father's Day? These 3 mugs alone, you could make versions of these of your own. And especially if you automate the personalization, you can make a buttload of money. So, and that's just 3 out of how many more are on here? Tons and tons and tons. So you'll never run out of ideas. Etsy's just one spot to get the ideas. You can also go to good old Amazon. And you can use research tools on here too, but you can also go Father's Day mug. They even have Father's Day mug personalized. And you can see all these. Like, Dad, thanks for being my dad. If I had a different dad, I'd punch him in the face and go find your favorite. You could customize that to be Love Will, right? There's another Trump one. Just look at the reviews on these mugs. So let's click this one. That's ratings for the shop. That's not for the specific mug. I can't believe a mug's at $16.97 on Amazon. Usually they're dirt cheap. But anyway, you can get a lot of ideas from here too. So don't think that you only have to go to Etsy to find ideas. You can go to Amazon as well. And there are a lot. Well, this has like global ratings. I think that's for the shop. I don't think that's for the specific mug. Although it might be. Crazy. So yeah, so Etsy, Amazon, you can use them for research. I showed you 3 of them that you can do very easily. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. You make those 3 mugs for Father's Day, and you're gonna kick butt. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.